Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back and hello if you're new here. My name is Kait. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to share some inspo and ideas for holiday hair. I feel like the holidays are always a time to just be a little bit more adventurous, try new things, and spice up your looks. And there is no better way to do that than by changing up your hairstyle and trying out something new. So I figured I would share a few different ones with you guys today that you can do right at home. They're really easy and pretty sure they're all heatless too, which is a bonus. So stay tuned if you want to see, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so first of all, I really hope I don't look naked because I have on a cute bodysuit. I hope you guys can see it. But I'm wearing this bodysuit from Princess Polly that I just got in. I thought it was really cute and kind of festive with the gold chain detailing. Very simple, but a nice added detail, you know? So I broke it out, and obviously that's what I have on right now. But if you can't see it, I do have a shirt on. My hair is also extra fluffy and fun because I literally just got home from having my hair done. I got some fresh color, so this kind of worked out perfectly. My hair is looking its best in terms of fresh color and everything, so I'm kind of digging it, but if it looks extra voluminous, that's why. I don't have the talent to blow my hair out like this at home and just style it the way that Katya, my hair queen, does. So let's get into look number one. Obviously, I have beach waves or curls in my hair. The hairstyles that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, obviously I'm gonna be doing with curled hair, but you can tweak them. Anything is tweakable, and you can try it with straight hair too if that is your preference or just what you have going on. So if you're watching this and had just flat ironed your hair or want to just try these looks with flat ironed hair, don't let my beach waved hair discourage you. You can definitely cater these to your taste and definitely try it out with straight hair as well. But I frequently wear my hair in a middle part, which is very cute, you know, all of that. I do love it. But for this first look, I thought it would be fun to just make things a little bit more dramatic with a deep side part and add some hair accessories. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do it. It is super easy. So I'm gonna see if my hair wants to part this way with it being freshly blow dried. Usually it does, but maybe not today. Might have to do it the opposite side. It really doesn't matter which side you want to do. It's really just whichever way your hair is going to cooperate. I have so many baby hairs right now. So once you figure out which way your hair wants to go, you may be like me and just need to situate it a little bit. So I'm taking a teasing comb and I'm just kind of teasing it here at the top just to kind of merge everything together and make it stick, because this piece, honestly, because it is so freshly blow dried, doesn't want to cooperate, which I'm telling you guys is crazy because I always part my hair like this way, no problem. But once you have it over to the side, we're very glam, very just kind of va-va-voom. You could totally wear your hair like this and I'm sure it would be very cute, but for me, there's no way I would fidget with it too much. So for this first look, I am going to take the opposite side of whichever I parted it, and I'm gonna tuck that behind my ear. Now you could stop here. It's still, like I mentioned, just very glam and it's simple and it's elegant, and this would be a really fun way to just switch up your hair and look like you did so much with so little effort. But if you do want to dress it up a little bit more, then you could totally add something like clips, or you could do the bobby pin trend. So I'm gonna try these rhinestone hair clips. These are by GSQ by Glam Squad. I believe these are available at CVS, so they're drugstore, really affordable. I think they have the price on them actually. They don't, but I'm pretty sure they're like $7. Anyways, I'm just gonna take this first one, clip that there. Actually, I'm gonna move it. I feel like I need it off my ear a little bit. Okay, cool. That's better. We'll just situate the second. They do not have to be perfect. You could do so many different things with the hair clips. You could add more. You could do a combination of hair clips and bobby pins. You could do a lot. And again, this is easy peasy. Like, took us no time. The longest part of all of this first hairstyle was figuring out the part, and then once you get that squared away, you are like 2 thumbs up, good to go, smooth sailing, over halfway there. And I think this hairstyle would be so pretty with a variety of different tops or dresses, especially if you have something very simple like spaghetti straps. If you had something a little bit more intricate like a one shoulder top, this would be so fun to do, whether you wanted to, you know, match your part with the bare shoulder or the opposite side, but it just gives it a little bit something and really dresses it up a bit. But too, if you're just in like a tacky sweater or just a chunky cozy knit, like this would also be really pretty and just kind of dress things up a little bit. Okay, so for this next look, we are coming back to a middle part, and I'm going to show you guys just a super easy sort of messy low bun. I feel like usually when someone thinks of a messy bun, they think of like a really messy top knot on top of your head, but I feel like the low messy bun often gets left out. So I'm gonna show you guys a really easy way just to kind of dress that up and do it in more of like a low bun style. So I kind of already did it as I was talking, but the first thing you will need to do is pull out 2 front pieces, and it does not by any means have to be perfect. And then you want to leave that middle part in your hair and just kind of start grabbing that back. For me personally, for this look, I like to leave my hair out, covering the tops of my ears. I think that it is just more flattering, and I don't mind covering my ears because sometimes I feel like they stick out. So total preference, but this would be my recommendation. Obviously this pony looks kind of cute too, so you could totally go for a low messy pony if that is more your style. But we are going to need a little hairband. So once you have your hair gathered, because these tend to fall a little bit, I like to sort of position it up a little bit higher than what I know it's probably going to be at before I secure it with a hair tie. And I'm just going to use this gray hair tie. You can use whatever. So I'm going to take mine, and I typically go like this. So I leave some of the pony out. I have it in like a half bun right now. And I'm gonna flip the tail around and pull it through. Obviously I need some hairspray so I can spray that back. And then I like to start by just kind of pulling out the top. Make sure that doesn't look too tight or anything. I will worry about hairspray in a moment, so just ignore that. But from here, I'm just gonna kind of like pull and tug on the bun, and it looks pretty like messy. So just like to kind of move it, position it around, and I either will tuck pieces like back into the ponytail holder to give it more of a messy look, or if you're feeling super adventurous, you can secure pieces with bobby pins. Sometimes that can just be a little bit more difficult because you want to make sure that they're hidden. So it's really all preference and up to you. But this is, you know, starting to come together. All right, I just grabbed this palette mirror, and I have a huge mirror behind me. So I always like to use this just to see how everything is looking. And I'm honestly surprised because from the back, it looks a lot more even and yeah, cuter than I thought. I will turn around and show you guys so you can see. Yeah, just a really simple low bun, has a little bit of messiness. And if you're not new to my channel, then you already know that I'm not really a huge fan of hairsprays and product. Like, I don't really like to use them unless I absolutely have to. So I haven't really sprayed anything in my hair, but obviously if I was wearing this out or going to an event or something, then I would probably load up with a little like medium hold hairspray on the sides just to secure more of these little baby hairs back. If you do like more of the wispies, then you can leave those out. Super pretty either way, and again, just goes back to personal preference, which I feel like as you guys continue to watch tutorials or videos of mine, you will find that's really big for me. I like to show you guys obviously what I do and how I do something and share tips, but as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, everything is very like tweakable, customizable to whatever your preference is. So use this as kind of like a starting place and guide, and then make it whatever you want so that you feel most comfortable wearing it. Okay, so for this next look, I'm gonna share my spin on like the classic messy bun, if you will. I don't really have a name for this, but I don't know, it's just more fun to me. So I feel like my hair looks crazy right now, but we are gonna go back to the middle part, and I actually just left these two front pieces out because we're gonna use those, and we are also going to use the middle part. So probably looks like I'm just going back and doing the same hairstyle as before. That is not the case. So we are going to just kind of brush it up, but still save that middle part. This is my take on like a fun, messy pony. I do these looks all the time, especially during summer. This is one of my most asked about hairstyles, this, and then the bun, which I'll be sharing next. I just think that they're girly, they're very cute, and they help add like a little pop to any sort of look that you're doing, whether you're in like a graphic tee or some sort of like dress. I just absolutely love this hairstyle. I will say my preference for this is usually when my hair is a little bit dirtier. It just tends to hold better, but this is obviously fine. You can do it with clean hair and it's gonna look amazing. Continuing to kind of situate my hair on the sides and the back and pull it up, and it's kind of gonna come to like the crown of my head. And then you can see we do still have our middle part going on, which is exactly what we want. I feel like I pulled it a little tight on top, so I'm just kind of like pulling out a couple pieces, and then you can also adjust it once you get the ponytail holder in. All right, I'm actually switching ponytail holders because the other one is so new. I am not gonna be able to get it to like hold as well as I need to because I can only wrap it around twice. So this is, I think, a TULA tie. So we will use that instead. So I wrapped it around 3 times. You can see it's crooked right now, but we are going to fix that. Situate and pull, get the pony where we want it, straight. And again, there's probably like 1,000 baby hairs. Just don't worry about them yet. We can fix those later. If you feel like anything is too tight up here, I just like to go through and kind of pull it, make it a little bit less messy. And I just went and grabbed just a little bit of hairspray to hold some of these hairs back. Honestly, because I hate using it so much. Sometimes I just put it on my finger and then just brush that back. I don't mind like these little guys, so I'll let those hang out, but some of these up here need a little taming. Again, all preference, because some of you may like more of a sleek pony, and if that's the case, then by all means, like load on that hairspray, but I am into the super messy, and that means the baby hairs are more than welcome to hang out and stay. So this is basically the beginning of it. This is really fun, just cute. I think it's pretty flirty too, and I like that vibe about it a lot. If you are not into the ponytail holder showing, then I have a little trick for you. I could probably do a whole tutorial just on this, but you can take a little piece from underneath of your ponytail and wrap it around and just secure it with a bobby pin, like so. Okay, and I just kind of hide it back there. If you need to hairspray it, you could totally hairspray it, but for the most part, super cute. I'll just show you guys the side, show you the back. This is just another really easy, cute look that you can do to change it up for the holidays and do something different. And then once you master the messy pony, I will show you the messy bun that I was talking about. So I am going to take this little piece out because we don't need it. Kind of need all the hair we can get for this next one. So for the messy bun, you can actually start out with it just like this and leave your hair in the pony. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna take the pony. If you feel like your hair is a little bit flat or thin, then I might recommend teasing the ponytail, but I have too much hair, so I don't need to do that. And I like to kind of twist it a little and start wrapping it. This is another one where it doesn't need to be perfect. I feel like the messier, the better. And then once you have your little top knot or bun positioned, then you're just gonna go through, start pushing in those bobby pins. Depending on what I'm doing and where I'm wearing this look to, I might do 1 bobby pin and I may do 4. Just depending again on like what the evening or day or whatever it is holds. If there's any little pieces sticking out, like I might try to pull those and just like make it sort of messy. I had to check the back and I missed a little piece. Like I had a messy piece that was just kind of like dangling like a rat tail. So I am just pinning that in. Otherwise, that makes 3 bobby pins. So just 3 bobby pins total to hold the bun. And I just absolutely love this look. This is one of my go-tos. And it's another one too where you really have control and can decide over how big and how messy you want the bun to be. Because if you wanted it to be like a little bit more voluminous, you could totally start pulling it and just adding to it. But I will show you guys the side and the back. But the front pieces, again, just really make this look for me and make this bun what it is. It's another one that, like the ponytail, is so flirty. It's kind of romantic. It's a really fun way to switch up your hair and do something than just like a normal looking slicked back bun. Just a cute little touch. I love wearing my hair like this and I always get a lot of compliments when I do. And this is another hairstyle that is really cute paired with sweaters and stuff to give more of a girly feel and vibe. Or you could pair it with dresses and gowns if you have somewhere really fancy to go. And this just gives it that chic, romantic touch that really helps pull everything all together. But that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't yet, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite, and I would love to know if you guys would like to see more hair inspiration videos and tutorials from me. But thank you so much for tuning back in and watching. If you're new, I definitely hope you'll stick around and stay. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But love you guys so much, and until next time.